Hi y'all. I just want to give y'all a heads up with my masks. These are the masks that they're giving out at, I guess, CVS. I got mine from Walgreens. So, that's what y'all see. Underneath, it's for free. They give 3 to a household. So I went into Walgreens. I had to take care of some business. And then later on that afternoon into the night, I had to go back again. So I just picked up me another 3. Can't never have enough of masters. It's best to be prepared than to be unprepared. So I'm now on my way to the church. I wanted to measure, because I wanted Danielle to come with me because I needed to have somebody hold it